Hello guys. Today I will show you a Replika glitch for all devices. You're going to pretty much be able to get everything on the gem shop for free. So just follow my steps.
Rise up from the ashes, wings on my back, stay.
First, go to this website, appxfree.com.
Let go and see what happens,
Then scroll down and choose Replika Gems. This is the tool that we are using to get the gems for free. So, we will click Start Mod.
Keeps elevating me.
Now we will choose the amount we want to get on our account. So it says that we have to unlock our gems manually. So click Unlock Now. And it's gonna say that we're gonna have to complete 2 of these offers to get our Replika gems. So we have to complete these 2 offers.
So I can't see the ground. So I ain't coming down. So no, I ain't ever coming down. Rise up from the ashes, wings on my back, stay lit like a matchstick. We ain't coming back, I swear. Just let go and see what happens. Gotta let go to see the magic happen. They got this a quick change, so we like them in phase. I just bought a new watch, time to make my wrist ring. And feel like gravity keeps elevating me.
After I complete the offers, it says open your game and check the gems as you can see. So I will open the game. So guys, as you can see, I've got my free 1000 gems, and I can use it without problems. So just follow all these steps. And guys, don't forget to share it with your friends. Peace out.
So I can't see the ground.